Good morning. Good morning. It is Thursday, and today I have a very, very, very crazy day. I'm actually a little bit nervous because today I'm gonna start on my lesson plan for next week. Because tomorrow the teachers are not at school, and we are there alone. So I'm gonna try to do some games to remember their names, but I cannot think about anything at the moment to do. And indeed, so I'm going to class at 8, and at 10 me and Candy, my co-teacher, we're gonna sit together and think about a class plan for next week. Yeah, I am excited. I am very curious because, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I have to do. So yeah, that's what we're doing this at lunch. I had breakfast with David and my classmates this morning. This is, yeah, an exciting day, but then this happened. It's raining again. At the moment I have to leave, and Jasna is too pissed about it, so she wants to take a tuk-tuk. Thank God. Raincoat superhero. I'm really pissed off. I hate rain. Why is it raining? Me and Jasna are in the tuk-tuk. Jasna had the best plan ever to go with the tuk-tuk.
Yes, because I'm not biking in this weather.
Yeah.
Never, ever, ever.
She has brain cells. When it comes to rain, mine are gone. I'm so pissed off. So yeah, we're taking the tuk-tuk thanks to Jasna. And yeah, we have to ride back together then.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
I have a break now, and I was crying because it's so overwhelming, the kids. No, I was not crying in the break, but before it was a little bit tearing up because the kids are so amazing. They're so respectful, but they're so driven and motivated. That's crazy. You don't have it in Belgium like that. Yeah, it does something to me. I really like it. I don't want to go home. For lunch I have the sandwiches with some hummus. It's really good hummus. And I have cucumbers from Japan, and they're okay. So yeah, we're not buying this again, but it was okay. Oh wow, it's for me? Yes. Thank you. I just got a bug from a princess that lives on the grounds. Oh, and she has other bugs. Look. Mm. This is what Japanese cucumber looks like. It's very tough. On the skin is really hard. But okay, it's okay. The hummus is really good. I'm again in the tuk-tuk because it's too hot to go by foot and my feet will be killing me because of the shoes. So we're going home and I think I'm gonna do a jump in the water because I really need it. I had this problem with the Chromecast and my computer, so okay. We're at a seafood restaurant where Amy really wants to go, and their problem is it's only kemer.
Yes.
So we're not knowing what we're ordering.
Lust er iemand oesters?
Maar gelijk mossel of zo, dat eet ik ook graag. Maar
So, but we're waiting for a lot of people, so we have time to look over the menu.
Hier.
Kijk naar mijn story. Ja, echt goed. Zeg maar ook, dan kan je dat delen.
I'm in the room. Today we just had some seafoods. It was really good. And now I'm really tired and I'm gonna take a shower and I'm going to bed. Today I did dictation with the kids of the second grade and I did a test with the kids of the first grade. There was not everything was really good, so but we can definitely see which of the kids need more attention. So yeah, I'm super tired, so I'm gonna take the shower and go to sleep. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.